Budgies. A parakeet is any one of many small to medium-sized species of parrot that generally have long tail feathers. In American English, the word parakeet usually refers to the budgerigar. In short, they are called budgies. All budgies are clever like other parrots and can learn to talk, but it is said males speak better than females. The younger the budgie, the easier it is to teach them. Did you know, according to the Everything Bird book, the Budgerigar Society recognizes 41 varieties of budgies? Wow! A budgerigar is a long-tailed seed-eating parrot, usually nicknamed the budgie, or in American English, the parakeet. Budgies are the only species in the genus Melopsidicus. Naturally, the species is green and yellow with black scallop markings on the nape, back, and wings. Who gave budgerigars their name, and how? The budgerigar was first described by George Shaw in 1805 and given its current binomial name by John Gould in 1840. The genus name Melopsidicus from ancient Greek means melodious parrot. Here is what you call budgies. Budgie bites do not hurt at all, as their beaks are not capable of breaking human skin. But biting can be a sign of anxiety or even sickness. If your budgie bites you or himself, he may have one of several reasons for his erratic behavior. Stress, boredom, and even sickness can all explain his tendency to nip, so it's up to you to determine what triggers a snap of the beak. Here are some of my budgies that I have at home as pets. It's 4 of them, and they are a big, happy family. And yes, budgies do make wonderful pets. Well, I do have 2 other birds too. They also have an Instagram account at which you can support by following them right here. It comes as a surprise to many that the tiny budgies can actually talk as well, if not better, than some of the larger parrot species. Some budgies have even been known to develop vocabularies of hundreds of words. Budgies are the most popular type of pet bird. In fact, 45% of pet birds in the United States are budgies. Budgies have a third eyelid that is not usually visible, but that is important for lubricating the eyes and keeping them clear of dirt and debris. The heart rate of the budgie is also extremely fast and cannot be monitored by listening in the normal way, as it beats over 300 times per minute. A budgie can have up to 3,000 feathers in total across their whole body. Budgies have an incredibly acute vision in terms of the number of images their brains can process at a time. Budgies can register over 150 images per second, compared with just 16 for humans.